Wagwan guys, so today we're doing something different. We're gonna be braiding my kazi and we are gonna go kwenye yako. So I've packed a couple of stuff in my bag and we need to get a new bag. This bag inaniaibisha. Kuna hizi braids na nini. The inspo inakaa hivyo. I'm gonna nitaeka kapicha hapo muone inspo, and then I've carried everything. Let me show you guys. Today nime decide to like do a little bit of pop of colors on my outfit, so let me show you how it looks. I have some maroon. What color is this? Orange and then black. Okay, black inakwanga to like something neutral, and the bag is black also, so I think zina match. Yeah, the shoes zitakuwa na a bit pop of white, but it has the maroon. That's why I settled with this one. We're going to where my cousin is. I don't know the specific place, but atanipatia directions. So let's go. Nimefikisha lakini I don't know this place. I'm so sijaikuwa Juja. Oh my god. Alafu jua imekuja. I have this jacket ni mzito and I'm not sure of the security this place, but nimeambiwa nimgoje kwa supermarket. So that's what we're gonna do. I'm not even sure if you guys can hear me. Yani all my 2 centuries of living. Wait, how old am I? Okay, anyway, all my centuries of living. Jeko Juja. Okay. There's that corner grill. It's actually nice to visit somewhere new, because you get to see new places, get to see new sceneries. This is so interesting. Wow. Some terrazzo distributors there. Okay. And I'm here being sun-kissed. Na kulikuwa hata kushaanza kudrizzle. Niko kwa gari. Alafu that's vehicle. Hi. That vehicle yenye nimeingia. Imagine imekuwa ikisimama kwa almost every single stop, inaingia kwa service lane zote. Nimeenda kukaa kwa gari for almost 1 hour. But anyway, tumefika. That's the bright side of all this. I'm in a new neighborhood and I don't know where I'm going. I've been told to go somewhere and I can't see it. So the only thing that I'm doing, I'm just singing out to Frozen song. Let it go, let it go. Yeah, Nico, I'm being told to go and chill around a supermarket.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you
Okay. Dinner is ready. Yeah, yuck, boom. Yuck, yuck, yuck. Iko na
Let's go. I wake up to a little bit of drool on my pillow, feel like it's gonna be a bad day. Yeah, I'm tired of shit, and the coffee ain't hit yet, damn, ain't that great. I don't wanna go to work, cause my boss is a jerk, and I'm not even that paid. I need a change in my life, cause I don't feel alive, and there's nothing that makes me happy. Hold my beer for a minute, I'm about to quit my job, cash in for a ticket. I'm going on a trip, and I don't plan to...
Haibo, ati unaonekana kweli. Mungu wangu umejaa giza. Walai, I swear to God hauonekani. Focus, focus girl, focus, focus.
I'm gonna stay there till I feel like I'm winning, oh. And this is just the beginning. I need a big change, help me feel like living. I need a big swing, home runs I'm hitting, and I'll never look back, moving on till I get it all. And we all got dreams, we all want things. But what you gonna do for it? How you gonna move for it? What you gonna be? And do you believe you can do it?